Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to start the new series. The series is on data science using Python. This series can be used by all those students who are pursuing their career in data science or are aspiring to become data scientists. So, for this, first of all, you will have to install Anaconda on your system. So, I'll go in the Google and I'll write out Anaconda Data Science. I'll click on the first link. So basically, Anaconda is a platform which consists of packages which are related to the data science. This platform is used by world leading companies. You can download from here depending upon your system, that is Windows, Apple, Linux. You will have to download the exe file. Once you get the exe file, you will have to run it. So you will get this type of exe file. After running this, the Jupyter Notebook will get active. While clicking here, you'll be able to open the Jupyter Notebook. So my Jupyter Notebook is active now. Now I can work on new notebook by just clicking on new Python and a new notebook will appear. Now we'll have to understand about the notebook that command mode will be active always and it will be indicated by the green color cell. See, this is green. At present, it is in edit mode. If I want to, uh, you can say I want to deactivate the edit mode. I can just press the escape button and my edit mode is not on now. Then if I press capital A, it will create the cell above the line, existing line. If I press B, it will create the cell below. Okay, let's see. Capital B. From here also you can see run cells. Just a minute. Yeah, insert cell below and insert cell above. So I can do this from here also and by pressing capital A and capital B also. D plus D is for deleting the cell. If I want to delete any cell, I'll press D plus D and the cell will get deleted. The same thing I can do from here also. So there are many operations which I can conduct from here: cut cells, copy cells, split cells, merge cell below, and these are all the things which you can do on cells. For markdown cell, I'll be using M, and for code cell, I'll be using Y. Now there are some libraries which we will have to install separately if you are only installing Python. But when you are working on Anaconda, there are some default libraries which are required for data science, which will be installed directly. The three main libraries which are there is NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. So NumPy offers multidimensional data structures on which operations can be performed far quicker than standard Python data structures, and therefore NumPy is a really good library. This is done in part by performing operations in the background using C. NumPy also offers various mathematical and data manipulation functions. The next is Pandas. So Pandas is a Python's answer to the R data frame. It stores data in 2D tabular structures where column represents different variables and rows correspond to samples. So basically, it can store the information in the data frame. And to make the data frame, we require Pandas. Pandas provides many handy tools for data wrangling, such as filling in NaN entries and computing statistical descriptions of the data. Working with Pandas data frames will be a big focus here. So Matplotlib is again a graphical technique. It's a plotting tool inspired by Matplotlib platform. Those who are familiar with R can think that MATLAB is a Python's Matplotlib is a Python's version of ggplot. It's the most popular Python library for plotting figures, and it works on MATLAB platform. Now, how can I bring my own data file into Python? So first of all, make sure that you activate import pandas as PD. From pandas, import read underscore CSV file. Once this is activated, it means that I'll be able to use this function read CSV file. So I'm writing the command line as file name is equal to PD. So here PD is basically the pandas library. Dot read underscore CSV. This is R is for read. In single inverted commas, I'll give the path where my file is located. Then I'll specify what are the variable names which are there. And then I'll write down data read underscore CSV. And again, I'll give the link names is equal to names. And then print data dot shape. Now I can run this command in two ways, either shift enter or control enter. But when I'll run with shift enter, automatically the cell will go into the this active cell will go into the next line. So you can see here it gives me that there are 768 rows and 9 columns. So this is a way you can import the data in Python. Now, for more videos on Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we are going to talk about data management in Python.